What's up, guys? Algebra, advanced math, what's happening? So, hang on. So, we would have finished up class about an hour and 20 minutes ago. And we haven't, because we're not there, right? So I was in this morning, made a video for everybody. And I didn't really include you guys in the video. It wasn't on purpose. I'm just kind of still thinking about figuring out how we're going to do things to keep the ball rolling. Because what may happen is, like obviously your ELA test isn't happening in 2 weeks, and the math test is supposed to be the week after spring break. But if we're out until the 20th, they're not going to have you be off for a month. Come in and take a math state test for normal Math 8 students, which is when you were going to take your first practice regents. So I think what's going to happen is this. I think we're going to finish the last 4 lessons or so from the stats lessons we were going to do. Now, we might not be able to do some Desmos stuff to tie it in and kind of keep it fresh, but we're going to do the last 4 stats lessons, and I'll give you links for that, and then I will make a video of me going through it. There's a video of a guy who made those lessons, him going through it, which you're welcome to do. You can go to eMath instruction. I can share that information, but it might be a little more interesting if I do it. So, I'll share a lesson with you, and then the next day or so, I'll have a video, and you can watch me going through it and see how that goes. It's only for 4 lessons, so I'm not going to do a ton of new material, but you guys, being advanced math students, should be able to handle a little bit of new material. And then after that, I think I'll probably push a regents out to you and give you, a couple, 2-3 days to do it, and then we'll go through that, and then just kind of go from there, see where we are. I'm not going to rush through material, obviously. That's just, not reasonable. So after we do these last 4 lessons, which are a little bit more new, we'll probably just do some review. Okay, so completing the square, transformations of functions, whatever the case may be. Okay, we may have access to WebEx here coming up, so we can maybe do a group lesson live, which would be kind of cool, and go from there. Okay, so I'll push that lesson out to you here momentarily. It's noon right now, so it'll be soon. Keep checking your Remind. If you don't have Remind, get it from somebody. Actually, I put it in Google Classroom, the link. So, but if one of your friends has Remind, I think you can get it from them. So we'll go from there. Okay, guys. Miss algebra, love algebra. Oh, get your calculator. So if you're coming in, I gotta figure out how to do this. I'm gonna be there tomorrow morning for a couple hours, from like 8 to 11:30. So I'll have your calculators with me then. I'll just see if I can leave the calculators in a safe place for you guys to grab them. If not, there's free online stat calculators we can use. So if we have to do that, we can. We'll just see how it goes, right? This is all new for everybody. Just keep it fresh, keep it light, and we'll go from there. Okay, so like I said in the other video, we're not doing Call of Duty all day, right? We're not crushing monsters and looking at Justin Bieber pictures. Okay, so be doing schoolwork, reading. I know Mr. Gibson's got stuff for you, and Miss Fairway can read, all those guys. So just be sure you set aside some time every single day during the school week for academics, not just fun. You gotta keep fresh. Like I said in the video, if you guys mail it in for a month and come into school, your brain's gonna be a big pile of cow turds. We don't want that. So I want to keep you fresh. All right, guys, miss you. Hope all's going well. We'll get through this. We're Falcons. It's not gonna break us. It's gonna make us stronger. Later, guys. Keep it real. Bye-bye.